Yo! Just doing the final touches to this bathroom, and then I can clean it up, you know, get my tools out of here, chuck the mess out into the wheelie bin. I've just got to go up there and this bit of floor, and I've got it. I'm just doing the strip drain now, or linear drain, whatever you like to call it. I like to use silicone or polyurethane. I reckon it sticks better to the aluminium. Right, left, right hand side. Nice. Push it down flush. I do it in 2 lines like that, so the water can run out either end. Pop that in there. Do I have to adjust it? It's all pretty good. I like it like that. Oh, I like it. No, that's pretty cool. Do I have to move that? No, that's nice. Nice to the eye, nice to the touch of these little suckers. Right, I'll whip up there, and bit of skirting there. This came out nice. I like it. And it'll be another bathroom done, and on to the next. Woo! I roughly average a bathroom a week. See you soon. Stay in tune. Yo!